Guess who?
Step on it, stupid. Whoa.
Yahoo! I'm rich! I'm rich! Yippee! Suddenly I'm filthy rich. Huh? Here, you poor dirty old tramp. Buy yourself a brand new cowboy suit.
That's me, buddy. Now give me the dough. Pardon me, little old lady, ma'am. Did you see a woodpecker come this way?
No.
Aha!
Wait, don't shoot. I can draw a gun faster than you.
Oh, yeah?
There.
There. Where's the money?
Over there. All right, step right up and guess which hat the money is under. Now you see it, now you don't. Which one, partner?
Aha! I hate you.
I like you. Who? Yeah, he's here. Hold the phone. It's Calamity Jane for you.
Calamity Jane? Give me the receiver. Hello, Calamity. Throw me a little kiss, will you, gal? Wow, same old Calamity. Hey, bartender, give me a beer.
One beer coming up.
Oh, no. I'll take the shortcut and head him off at the pass. Shut up, you four-legged baboon. Woo! I hate him. I'm gonna blast that red-headed polecat in the chicken feed.
Pardon me, sir, but I believe this is yours.
No, it's yours.
It's yours.
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 Mine.
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 It's mine. mine, and you can't have it.
Selfish thing.
Get out of here! What happened?
You goofed.
Why, you...
Look behind you, Dooley.
the posse. Step on it, stupid.
I'll arrest you for the robbery of the Third National Bank.
And here's the money, Sheriff. Here, sir. This is for you.
Lock me up. Take me away from this crazy woodpecker. Put me in jail.